style of PaperCut animation is taking over YouTube right now. Dossier photos, redaction bars, torn newsprint, that breaking news chyron look, and it looks like it needs a full newsroom motion graphics team behind it. It doesn't need one at all. A single master prompt can turn any story into a full PaperCut animation style with narration, voice, every collage frame, and the sound design using free AI tools. And the best part, once you have set this system up once, you can crank these out in bulk, almost hands-free. Welcome back to AIpreneur, and let's build this one from scratch. Step 1, build your animation engine. This entire workflow hinges on one thing, a Claude master prompt. It's not something you type once and forget, it's a full production system that carries you through every stage, one at a time, so you're never left guessing what comes next. So, open Claude, start a fresh chat, and drop this master prompt in. That describes the full narrated case and the animation engine. Paste it in, and your engine is running. Your engine's built. Now let's give it a case to crack. Step 2, generate your script. Claude will ask what niche and topic you're after. Anything works. True crime, business scandals, science cover-ups, historical conspiracies, internet drama, corporate exposés. The style carries the story no matter which one you pick. For this build, I picked true crime, the unsolved disappearance of a small-town bank auditor whose files vanished with his business scandal. A wellness startup that faked its clinical trial data for a decade. Give it your topic, and it'll ask for a length next, anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. This style thrives on quick cuts, so don't stretch it out. A tight runtime keeps the punch. I kept mine to 1 minute. What you get back is the full narration, broken into numbered sentences. Each one is a single revelation, one line, one image, one clip. My 1 minute version landed at 25 beats. Drop that script into a doc and keep it open. You'll be pulling from it for the next 2 steps. Mistake to avoid. Resist the urge to smooth it into paragraphs. That one revelation per line structure is what keeps the rest of the pipeline automatic. Flatten it and the whole system breaks. Script's done. Now it needs a voice that sounds like it's uncovering something, not narrating it. Step 3, turn the script into a voice. Head to ElevenLabs and open text-to-speech. First move, switch over to the V3 model. It's what gives you that natural, emotionally loaded delivery. And on an investigative piece like this, the voice is doing half the work. Choose a voice that matches the energy, clipped and urgent, beats calm, every time. You want investigative journalist energy, not a calm documentary narrator. Don't dump the whole script in at once. Feed it a few sentences at a time, generate, listen back, download, then move to the next chunk. Large pastes are where the voice starts to drift and lose consistency. Repeat until every line is voiced. Quick, honest note. The free ElevenLabs tier caps out around 10,000 characters a month, about 1 video's worth. If you're planning to publish often, that ceiling is worth building your schedule around. The voice is locked in. Time to build the case file. Step 4, generate every image prompt. Back in your Claude chat, type next. That triggers stage 4. Claude converts every line of your script into a full PaperCut style collage prompt, 1 per beat, numbered in sequence. Skim a few of them. Each one nails down the dossier piece, the redaction or document, the torn newsprint backdrop, the lighting, the sepia and red tone. That shared DNA across every prompt is what keeps the final video feeling like one investigation instead of a stack of random images. Grab the entire list, you're pasting it all in one shot next. The file's written. Now let's print every page of it. Step 5, bulk, generate the images. Open Google Flow, spin up a new project. In the prompt settings, set Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Then pick your aspect ratio 16:9 for long form, 9:16 for shorts. Skip pasting prompts one at a time, find the agent option instead. It's built specifically for running a full batch in one pass. Inside the agent, type insert all scenes. Paste your full prompt list right underneath, then send it off. The agent will churn through every frame on its own, back to back. Walk away and let it run. Once it's done, open the 3-dot menu on each image and rename it by beat, scene 1, scene 2, and so on. Then download the set in order. Mistake to avoid, don't skip renaming. Your story only makes sense in beat order, and your edit depends on it. Every page is printed. Now, let's make it move. Step 6, animate every scene. Back in the chat, type next. Stage 5 hands you the universal video prompt one animation instruction that applies to every single image. Pay attention to what it's actually doing, because this is where the style comes alive. The camera stays completely locked, no zoom, no pan, no drift. Each collage piece slams into frame with a small shake over the first 2 seconds, and any redaction bar comes down with a hard thud. After that, it settles into a living dossier, page grain flickering, a page corner lifting, light pulsing like an old film projector. That locked frame and hard impact are the whole trick. It's what gives this style its punch instead of the usual smooth AI drift. Back in Google Flow, switch over to the video model, then set your clip length to match your pacing. Reopen the agent and type insert all scenes one more time. Paste the video prompt in first, then your full numbered list of images right underneath it, and send it off. The agent will show you the credit cost up front, approve it, and every scene animates on its own. Pull your clips down in order. Visuals done. The file's alive and moving. Time to put the whole case together in CapCut. Step 7. Assemble everything in CapCut. Drop every asset into a single folder. First, voiceover files, numbered clips, music track, open CapCut, start a new project, and import that folder in one go. Lay your music down first and pull it back to around -20 decibels so it stays under everything. Then bring in your voice files in order and push those up near 10 decibels so the narration cuts through. Zoom into the timeline and stack your clips above the voiceover in beat order, trimming each one so it lands right as its line hits. Once it's synced up, drop a glitch or static transition between beats. It reads like an old broadcast cut and fits the tone. Add a film grain overlay and a vignette pulled down to around 60% so the edges darken just enough for the newsprint texture to pop. Want headline text on screen? Exposed. Breaking news. Missing man. Add it here in CapCut instead of baking it into the AI images. It stays crisp and you can restyle it anytime without regenerating a single frame. Run it once, start to finish, check the sync and the pacing, then export at 1080p or 4K.
A small town, a quiet bank, a missing man. Martin Hale audited accounts for 11 years. On March 3rd, he vanished without a trace. His car was found running, door open. His briefcase was gone.
That's a full PaperCut animation style with one prompt, free tools, and one finished video with the same engines ready to run the next one. Start with a 30-second cut today. Pick a case that actually pulls you in, run the master prompt, and see what comes back. The first redaction bar you watch slam into place is what sells you on this. Drop Vox in the comments with the case you're starting on. I'll reply with a beat idea that'll look great in redacted collage. And if you haven't seen the VOX-style version of this same engine, that one's up next. Subscribe to AIpreneur, and I'll catch you in the next one.